Hi, welcome to Utilitarian TV. In this video, I'll be showing you how to remove a background from image using just your smartphone to get something like this with an application called Pixellab. So let's get started. Utilitarian TV. Download Pixellab. Open the application, then select transparency. Import the image you want to remove the background from. And then select eraser from the toolbar down here. Click on this image up here to select the area you want to crop out from the image. Then click on this button to cut out the selection. Click on Mark to see a preview. Trim out the edge using the eraser tool. You can increase the size of eraser using this button below, and then trace the edge gently until the end of the picture, just like the way I'm doing it. After finishing tracing of the image edge, increase the size of the eraser using the button up here in order to have a quick cleaning of the remaining area. You can use the button up here to have a light cleaning of the edges. Use the save button up here to save the image as JPEG or PNG. The PNG is for the transparency background, while the other has no transparency. You can save using PNG if you need an image with a transparent background. That's all for this video. In case if you found this video very useful, kindly click the like button, share, and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in my next video. Goodbye.